Man.
Tell you no lies.
Is Daane gonna get you out?
No.
Do they give you any food or drink in there?
Nah, just Bud Light. That's all.
That's all you get in jail?
Bud Light, Bud Light, Bud Light.
Oh man.
So, but that's the way it goes.
I hope John comes to bail you out.
Well, John, hey Daane, help! Send me some money, quick. No IOUs neither.
This is Jerry's command central here for the fireworks. That's the Kentucky side of the river. Here's the Ohio side of the river. Say hello, Dr. John Daane.
Oh, hi, doctor. A future doctor to a real doctor. Woo!
That's Kristi's friend Eric.
Hi. Michael, say hi to John Daane. Hi, John. Hello.
Dr. John. Michael's on the right.
He's the dork.
This is his friend Eric.
Zalla's being the Game Boy. Ow!